All right, guys, this is part 2 of our statistical measures video, and we left off with this set of data. We were getting ready to solve some problems using these numbers, so let's get back at it. All right, first we want to arrange our data in ascending order, so least to greatest here. We've got them arranged. After that, we can find the range of each set. Remember, range is just the difference between the highest and lowest value. Difference means subtraction. So we're going to take our highest value and our lowest value here and subtract those. So we've got 25 and 13. So our range for set A is 12 and 119. Our range for set B is 81. And then we're going to find the median of each data set. Remember that median means the middle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We've got an odd number here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is our middle there. 5 from the left and 5 from the right, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got 8, which means there's our median right there, so we've got to take the average between these two numbers. That makes the median of set A is 17, and the median of set B, the average of 35 and 37, is 36. The mode of each set is the one that's repeated the most, and I see in set A we've got a bimodal set here. 17 and 22 are both repeated twice, while in set B, you can see that our mode is 35. It's the only number that's repeated twice. It's repeated the most. And, oops, I went backwards here. Nope, our mean of each set, remember, is our average. So you are going to need to add up all of these numbers, and whatever the sum is of those numbers, you divide by 9, because there are 9 numbers here. And for set B, you sum up those numbers and you divide that by 8. And if you pause and do that on your own very quickly and then replay this video, you'll see that our mean for set A is about 18.22, and our mean for set B is about 40.875. All right, when we look at set A, we want to know if changing a single value in A always changes the mean. Does it change the average? And is this true for any set of data? So if I change that 13 to 23, or if I change that 25 to 27, would it change the average? And the answer is yes. And is that true for any set? Yes. Now, it's not going to change it by much. Just changing one number when you have a set of 9 numbers doesn't change it by much. If you think of this in terms of grades, that's why students who maybe are getting these kinds of grades will make 100 on an assignment and they go, how much did that change my grade? It's not going to change it by much because you've got 9 other numbers there that you're trying to average it with, but it will change it some, and it is true for any set of data. If we change a value in A, does it always change the median or the middle number? No, it doesn't always change the median because I'm not adding another number to it here. If I change this to 15, for example, my median is still 17. This is still the number that's in the middle, regardless of the number that's on either side of it. So it does not always change the median, although it can. All right, guys, today we identified a group of objects as, well, that was last class. Actually, we identified a group of objects as population or sample, and we found the range, mean, median, and mode for each set of data. Now, you do have one other question that's there on your notes that is not in this video. What I want you to try and do is see if you can figure out the answer to that on your own, and then we'll talk about that in class. And that was the question: if you have 12, 15, a mystery number, and 25, 4 numbers, and the mean of those 4 numbers is 18.25, what is that mystery number? We'll write that really quickly here again. It's on your notes, but if you have a set of data that has 12, 15, mystery number, we'll put that there, and 25, and you know that the average or the mean is 18.25, what must that mystery number be? See if you can figure that out on your own, and we will talk about that in class. Write down any other questions that you guys have, and I'll see you next time.